Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Paul, aka Powerhouse21, and I am getting ready to install a Corksport short ram air intake on my 2016 Mazda 3 SGT. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all this stuff up. I'm starting to get the tripod and the lighting and all that other stuff, of course. And there is my very dirty car that we are gonna go ahead and work on. I gotta get this in tonight because I wanna make this video for you guys, and this was the best time to do it. And so sit back and enjoy. The one thing I gotta figure out is where to put the decals for Corksport. So I'm wondering, because they were gracious enough to send me a set of carbon fiber ones. I don't know if you can see that in there, but they were gracious enough to send me two Corksport vinyl 6-inch little ones, the ones I wanted. And a white one. I assume this one may come actually in the kit, but these were sitting right on top, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So the question is now, where do I want to put them? So I'm wondering, and you guys got to tell me, do I want to put them here, which I think would be kind of cool, or do I just want to use one of the white ones across the back, or way over in the corner, all like crooked, which is, you know, what I'm seeing lately, because apparently I don't know what's in anymore because I'm old, all the gray hairs. But I don't know if I should put it like right there. Where are you? Oh, there you are. No, oh, where are you? Oh, there you are, right there. So, you know, way up top or something like that. You guys got to tell me. I really don't know where I want to put those yet, so I'm not going to put them on until I hear about it. But so far, I'm liking it. Like I said, I've had it about 10 minutes, so can't really make a huge assumption about it. But I really like the sound, and I have to say it's a lower growl than my K&N was, and I kind of like that. It's I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe, but so far I'm liking it. I am gonna put about 2,500 miles on this in the next week or so, so I'm gonna have a really good feel for what this thing can do or what it feels like. I've been driving, I drove that for about 10,000 miles on the K&N, and that was the short ram air intake. And then I went 15,000 miles, yeah, something like 15,000 miles on the stock one. So now I'm at 25,000 miles. It's going into year 3 of this car, so pretty happy. Love this car so far. My wife, of course, we went out and got her the red one. I love that thing too, and she loves it. So go Mazda. So now that you've seen the video, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit the thumbs down. It really doesn't matter to me anyway. But if you did like it, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell for the notifications. I'm really hoping to put out some more videos. First off, about the car, and second off, I want to do some cooking stuff again. That cranberries recipe was really fun to make, so I kind of want to get into stuff like that as well. Let me know what you think about this in the comments, and definitely tell me where I should put those stickers on the car. And don't tell me some stupid, put it on the bumper garbage. I want some real suggestions. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.